This is a Mountain Bear tutorial. You'll need the mold from K&L, and then you'll need some green glitter. I just bought this at Walmart, so everyone should hopefully be able to find it really easily. First things first is you're just going to spread some glitter out on the bottom. I like to just use my finger. If you have a makeup brush you would rather use, you could do that. You could shake it into the bottom of the mold. I use this mold so much that there's already quite a bit in there, so I just have to fill in some of the gaps. Once you have those trees filled with green glitter, then you're going to take some brown beads and you're going to spread an even layer all across the mold. I link all of the products that I use in the notes so that it's easy for you to replicate what I'm doing. Or if you have a brown that you love, then you can use anything. I bake it at 325 for 20 minutes. When it's cooled off, you'll pull it out, and it should look something like this, and then you'll use Sharpie oil-based paint pens to add the details. So I like to use their light blue color to color in the sky, and I just make sure that I'm getting it all evenly. If you don't like the little bit of brown that shows through, you could always do 2 layers, or some people really like to use just matte acrylic paint in the fine-tipped paint bottles, so that's an option as well if you don't like the paint pens. Once I have the sky done, then I'm going to go through with white, and I like to just do a little bit of white along the tops of the mountains that are here. So this mold's really cool because it's pretty easy, but it looks very impressive. So if you don't have this one, I would definitely recommend adding it to your collection. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.